friends, welcome back to our new video. Our today's video is very important, especially for those who are new to stock market and yet to enter the field. Today we are going to discuss about the dark truth about stock market through a story of a 28 years old mechanical engineer from Bangalore. So let's start the video. What was the case of Dhiraj? Dhiraj was a 28-year-old mechanical engineer from Bangalore who was arrested by police for robbing a bank and escaping with 1.8 kg gold and jewelries and rupees 3.7 lakh cash. The incident took place on January 14 at the Mardiwala branch of the State Bank of India. He has invested lakhs of rupees in the stock market but incurred massive losses. He took loans from bank and even pawned gold jewelry belonging to his late mother. He now had to repay all the loans. I feel sorry for the young man. I don't blame him. His statement made to the Mardiwala police was what was chilling. He simply found that life was unmanageable on his salary of rupees 35,000 a month. He found that everybody was talking about crores of rupees, and whenever he read the newspaper, he saw that someone who was worth 100 crores or 200 crores or 50 crores, the value of money has fallen so badly in this country that men like Dhiraj has no options but to climb on the speculations bandwagon. So he decided to make a big play based on an Indian YouTuber, idiot YouTuber, I'm sorry for my mistake, whose name the police foolishly planned to add to the complaint before the ACP stopped them. I mean, an idiot YouTuber and an idiot app. He decided to invest money in a short US stock play. To do so, the young man lied to his family claiming to buy a flat and took jewelry worth rupees 12 lakhs. He also borrowed from 12 friends sums ranging money from 50,000 to rupees 6.2 lakhs, claiming various excuses. To some friends he said that it was an investment opportunity. To other friends he lied saying it was a medical emergency, etc. In this way he raised rupees 35 lakhs which he invested, and over 8 weeks he lost it all. I mean, he ended up recovering 2,70,000 rupees. The reason was either because the investment company was bogus in the first place, as 99% players today are, or because the investment failed. This the police are not clarifying. Anyway, now he has no money and has to pay off his friends. So he began to take loans from various banks and unsavory individuals who lent at 2.5% a month interest, 30% a year. This began a Ponzee scheme where he would take a loan, pay a loan and take another loan and pay off another loan. Now he has to break the cycle, and after evaluating all ideas including trying to sell off his own kidney, sadly he was not a rare blood group, he decided to rob a bank. He saw some videos and decided to execute the same method. He conducted surveillance for various banks, initially choosing Andhra Pradesh as his hub destination, but then changing to Karnataka, to BTM layout and State Bank of India. He subsequently robbed the money at knife point, stole jewelry worth rupees 2 lakhs and some cash around 4 lakhs and disappeared. It was done beautifully, but unfortunately the man made a mistake and did not study the CCTV architecture. How was he caught? Despite the fact that the cops claimed to have read the CCTV evidence and analyzed who he was, etc., this was far from true. It was a young man near Ananda Bhavan, no idea whether it is the restaurant chain in Tamil Nadu or some other Ananda Bhavan, who spotted the young man rushing out and getting into the vehicle and interestingly noted down the vehicle make and model. From then on, the police tracked the vehicle movements through CCTV camera and spotted the vehicle near Basveshwara Nagar, where that is, even though Dhiraj was clever enough to have used a bogus number plate. Then the trail went cold. and Dhiraj could have got away with it has he not made yet another mistake. He used his car with the same number plates to go to the Banashankari bus terminal and Majestic bus terminal. He went there to return money to one of his friends who was traveling by bus to some place. That friend then went to the bus office and sat down and was visible by CCTV camera. This friend was traced down simply by finding out the passenger list and phone numbers and calling him. The friend was an honest guy who has no clue where Dheeraj has got the money and cooperated. He spilled the beans but himself has no clue where Dheeraj was staying or what Dheeraj's number was. He changed SIM cards. Nonetheless, through his friend, the police contacted other friend and told them to inform them when Dheeraj came to repay them. Two friends contacted the cops but Dheeraj paid them very fast, often depositing cash in CDMs through cashless transfers or handling the cash to an intermediary like a local storekeeper. Finally, when he went to meet a third friend, the cops were ready and nabbed him as he came out. As per unofficial reports, he did not even run. And the policeman sympathized with him. No beatings, nothing. They gave him a cup of tea and food from Adiga's hotel nearby, and he told them, "Today I am finally at peace," before breaking down and sobbing with all the tension of so many days. He is being charged with robbery and attempt to murder and breaking and entering, though technically he never broke and entered, and faces some years in prison and end of his life. Yet at the end of the day, it's not fully his fault. Such trading which fools the public into believing that it is easy to make 50 lakhs from 10 lakhs is what is the problem here. Yesterday I had great pleasure in finding out that the police has arrested a man in the same city who has made such promises to people, including them, to trade and blow money, charging them rupees 5,000 per head for a seminar. This man was brutally beaten and humiliated by angry cops. They has no sympathy for this man who cheated the public by making such tall claims and promises. He faces years in prisons with 420 IPC and myriad of cases imposed on him. Though it's very likely he will never go to jail and the humiliation is the best he can get. That is exactly why I say don't mislead people. The illusion given by many writers on Quora is that it's very easy to make crores of rupees or lakhs of rupees or to get crores rupees package if you work in the IT sector, etc. These make people like Dhiraj very insecure because it's entirely and totally false for the average man to ever hope to make money that way. In China, such things are regarded as public misinformation and people would end up facing years in the gulag. But in India there is no law unless someone complains to the police and files a case. Dhiraj did not steal like Sukesh for a great lifestyle. He stole to repay his loans because he was misled to believe that it's very easy to make crores of rupees. And everyone is making crores of rupees. Why? Because he rightly said that every newspaper he opened has such articles all the time. My take. First of all, one should not invest by taking loans at all, no matter how good the opportunity looks like. Secondly, one should not invest based on tips given by various telegrams, YouTube channels. If you don't have any idea about investing in stock market, simply choose an index fund and start the SIP. Believe me, more than 90% people earn more in index fund than direct stocks in the long term. Investing is the long term game. There is no surety about short term in stock market. It may consolidate or give negative returns continuously for 1-2 full years. Don't consider stock market as the instant money making machine. Don't do trading. Even the India's biggest broker Zerodha's co-founder Nitin Kamath said that only 1% of traders become successful. He is saying this even after knowing that trading is the biggest revenue for brokers. we should seriously think about his statement. Also, please note that if you are invested in good quality shares, then that loss is national. You don't need to realize it by selling your shares in loss in that case. And thanks for watching our complete video. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And bye friends.